Hello, my name is Wendy Restrepo Chodes. Today is Saturday, October 21. I selected Horizontal Integration Strategy. The horizontal integration strategy involves expanding at the same level of the value chain, with mean acquiring or merging with direct competitors in the same sector or market. In the case of the Dynamo supermarket, this strategy could be applied as follows. Acquisition of local competitor. Purchase other local supermarket in Villa de Leyva or nearby areas to strengthen the market position by absorbing direct competitor. Strategic measure. Explore a merger agreement with local supermarkets that share a similar vision and complement operation instead of full acquisition. Diversification of brands and formats. Create new brands or store formats targeting specific market segments such as convenience store or organic product shops. Leveraging supplier relationship. Utilize influence to negotiate preferential agreements with local suppliers and producers, strengthening relationship and ensuring a steady product supply. Improvement in the economies of scale. Optimize costs and share resources such as distribution center and management system by expanding horizontal in the market. To measure the success of the horizontal integration strategy, the following can be considered: market share, profitability, customer satisfaction level, operational efficiency, revenue growth, customer loyalty, competitor evaluation. Thank you.